Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with an unboxing and overview of the new crystal cases from Rokform for the iPhone 12 series. Rokform makes drop protective and rugged cases which are designed to work with a wide range of super secure mounting systems. They make mounts for bikes, motorcycles, cars, and so on. Plus, their cases are magnetically mountable on pretty much any metal surface, so you can slap your phone in the fridge, on the file cabinet, etc. Overall, quite a versatile case system. Let's take a look. First of all, I have to say I've been enjoying the fact that Rokform was kind enough to send me out all three sizes of their iPhone 12 series crystal cases. As the actual iPhone 12 series phones are not out yet, it's really fun to be able to see the different sizes of cases here. So from left to right here, we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max here on the left. That one has a 6.7-inch diagonal screen, and then in the middle we have the 6.1-inch size. That's the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. They're the same size. And then all the way over on the right we have the adorable little iPhone 12 mini at a 5.4-inch diagonal screen size. So really a fun thing to look at and a great way to see the differences in size between the different iPhone 12 models. Starting off with the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro case. This one is the one that's 6.1-inch diagonal. Really nice case here. This is not a lightweight case. It's relatively heavy, I think, because we have magnets. We also have some very sturdy polycarbonate, as well as TPU and probably other materials that I don't know what they are. Seems really sturdy, really well made, like it's going to provide excellent protection for your phone. Rokform says that this should provide at least 6 feet of drop protection for your phone, so that is excellent. Obviously I can't try this on the phone, but I can just give you an idea of what it looks like. Construction wise, we have clear polycarbonate in panels here on the back. They are slightly inset, so they are going to be less vulnerable to getting scratched when you put this thing flat on its back, so that's good. But of course fingerprints are always going to be an issue with that type of material. You do have a decent amount of grip on here. There's not really any particularly grippy sort of material on here, but there's always stuff to grab onto. You have these protruding corners here, which are there for drop protection, but they're also something just to kind of hold on to. And then you've got this panel here on the back, which is kind of a ridged material. That is over one of the magnets. There's two magnets here in the back. One is here and then one is here in the middle, and both of them have this kind of a ridged plastic material on there. Got a little bit of Rokform branding down here at the bottom. You have a spot here for a lanyard. You can use your own or you can buy one from Rokform. They have one, I think, for $9.99 or something like that. And that's about it. Looking in the interior of the case, you can see that we have a microfiber pad here on the bottom. This is covering up one of the two magnets that are part of the magnetic mounting system. You can actually see the magnet through here a little bit. Protrudes very slightly, hopefully not enough to cause any kind of a scratch hazard to the back of your phone. I don't have a phone to try this case on with, so I can't tell you whether it does or not. And then here in the middle we have our second magnet, also part of the magnetic mounting system, and this one is actually removable. There's going to be two reasons why you'd remove this one. One is so that you can do wireless charging. This one's not going to cause an issue with wireless charging, but this one is, so you can remove this one and wireless charging will work fine, at least theoretically. Obviously I don't have the phone, so I haven't tried it myself, but according to the manufacturer it should. And the other reason that you would want to remove this is so that you can use this with the twist lock mounting systems that are available through Rokform. So there's two different types of mounting systems. Some only use magnets and some of them also use this twist lock. So in order to do that, all you're going to need to do is to take this and remove the magnet, and then you have an open space here, and then you can use this with the twist lock mounts that are available from Rokform. They work really well and they are extremely secure. Going up in size to look at our 12 Pro Max case. It's a really big case. for a really big phone. Seems very well made. It's exactly the same case we were just looking at, so I'm just going to show it to you briefly. No additional features here to point out. This is not a lightweight case, but it seems like it's going to provide excellent protection for your phone. And you gotta love all of these cool mounting options. And then looking here at our 12 mini, such an adorable little phone case. I think that the 12 mini is going to be a great little phone. Really looking forward to checking that one out. I will be doing an unboxing on the 12 mini when it comes out, probably in blue. Again, same features, same nice case. It's going to provide the same excellent protection for your phone with the same cool mounting options. As I mentioned, Rokform makes a wide variety of mounts which are compatible with these cases. For attachment, they use either a twist lock mounting or magnetic mounting, or in some cases a combination of both. For cars, they sell dash mounts, vent mounts, and window suction mounts. For bikes, they have both a stem mount and a handlebar mount option. And for motorcycles, they have 4 different kinds of mounts with a variety of mounting positions. Overall, we're looking at some really nice cases here from Rokform. They should provide at least 6 feet of drop protection for your device, seem to be very well made. They're magnetically mountable on almost any metal surface, as well as compatible with a series of excellent mounts, and they're covered by a 2-year warranty. They appear to have legions of enthusiastic fans, and I have to say I've been quite impressed with the Rokform cases I've had in the past. They were very tough cases, and their bike mounting system was exceedingly secure. Hopefully these new Rokform cases will be as good or better. One important unanswered question, however, is how they will interact with Apple's new MagSafe system. So far, that is unknown. The Rokform Crystal cases for the iPhone 12 series are available directly from Rokform as well as from other retailers, and they have an MSRP of $49.99 for all 3 sizes. All 3 sizes also come in a single color, the clear version with the black sides featured here. Many thanks to the kind folks at Rokform for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And please do consider hitting that subscribe button because I have a lot more iPhone 12 related content coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer with the iPhone 12 series crystal cases from Rokform. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.